So guys, in the previous video I took you to the IVA system of Indore. I gave you a glimpse of how does it look like, what is it all about, how does it operate, and what are its fascinating features. Now I am at the Indore railway station, and as you can see that it is just awesome. It is simply awesome. Not only Indore is clean, but Indore is so green. Not only does it deserve the tag of the one of the most cleanest city, but it should also have the tag of the one of the most greenest city. Though there is no like natural greenery, but they have done a brilliant job by planting the trees in between between the tracks, in the midst of the railway station. And this is just amazing. It's a very nice concept. I think that they are redeveloping the platforms, and thus these platforms were rendered useless, and subsequently they thought that why not to plant the trees over here and contribute in the climate preservation, in tackling the climate change. And it is appreciable because small steps that we take, they finally lead to some major change, some bigger change. And this is a practice which also should be emulated, which also should be introduced in the other railway stations. Let me take you to the other side of the railway station, of the bridge, and you can see that a significantly large portion of railway station is green. A variety of trees touching the height of as high as 5 meters, 10 meters can be seen over here. Not only between these two railway tracks, but also between these two railway tracks, where on one of the track is my train waiting for me, and before I miss it I'll have to catch it, because it has happened with me quite many times that I miss the train. Just look at it, how beautiful it is. Awesome. It is just awesome. I don't think that you have seen this thing ever before anywhere else, and thus I thought that this should be shared. Well, is it right or bad to plant the trees in between the railway station? What are your thoughts upon that? Share in the comment section below. Well, for me it's really nice to see that the station is green. Well, there could be some concerns regarding the site, regarding the view. Can it hinder the view, as it is often said, against the proposition of planting the trees on the roads, between the roads, on the dividers, that it can hamper the view of the person traveling and might lead to accidents. I don't think that any such concern is gonna to be here. Overall, the station looks very nice, very clean, very green, and gives good vibes. And the rain, oh my god, it further elevates the overall mood, the ambience here. It's just awesome. Even the train is green. This is Humsafar Express and going to be closed very soon. So bye guys, see you again in the next video.